Hello everyone and welcome to this video where we are going to talk about Wireshark. Wireshark is a free tool and open source network protocol analyzer that allows us to capture, dissect, and analyze network traffic in real time. With Wireshark, you can gain deep insights into what's happening on your network, troubleshoot problems, and optimize performance. Wireshark is used by network engineers, security professionals, developers, and anyone who needs to gain better understanding of the network traffic. It's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and it has been around for over 20 years, so it's a trusted and reliable tool. One of the great things about Wireshark is that it supports a wide range of protocols, from most common ones like TCP, IP, HTTP, and DNS, to more specialized ones like Voice over Internet Protocol, SNMP, and SIP. This means that no matter what type of traffic you are dealing with, chances are Wireshark can help you analyze it. Wireshark is a user-friendly interface that allows you to view captured packets in real time or analyze them later. You can apply filters to focus on specific traffic, search by specified packets, and even extract files from captured traffic. So whether you are a seasoned network engineer or just getting started in the field, Wireshark is the tool you want to have in your toolbox. The agenda for today's videos is installing Wireshark on Windows, installing Wireshark on Linux, some important terms related to Wireshark, and Wireshark for security purposes. Let's understand some important terms related to Wireshark. What's the packet? A packet is a unit of data that is transmitted over a network. A packet typically contains a header which includes information about the packets such as the source and destination addresses, and a payload which contains the actual data being transmitted. Protocol is a set of rules that govern how it is transmitted over a network. Protocols define the format and structure of packets as well as procedures for communication and error handling. Packet analyzer. A packet analyzer, also known as network analyzer or packet sniffer, is the tool used to capture and analyze network traffic. Packet analyzers allow users to view the contents of individual packets as well as aggregate statistics about network traffic. Sniffing. Sniffing refers to the process of capturing network traffic for analysis using a packet analyzer, for example Wireshark. Sniffing can be done passively by monitoring traffic on a network segment or actively by injecting traffic into a network to trigger a response. Packet analysis and sniffing are commonly used by network administrators, security professionals, and developers to troubleshoot network issues, monitor network activity, and identify security threats. By analyzing network traffic, users can gain insights into the behavior of network applications and devices as well as detect anomalies that are suspicious. Wireshark is a powerful tool used by security professionals. They use it to analyze network traffic and detect network security threats. Here are some ways in which security professionals use Wireshark. Network forensics. Wireshark can be used to capture and analyze network traffic during a security incident or breach. Security professionals can use Wireshark to identify the source of the attack, the type of the attack, and the data that was compromised. Wireshark can be used to analyze malware traffic and determine what the malware is doing, where it is communicating, and what data it is dealing. Intrusion detection. Wireshark can be used to detect network-based attacks by monitoring network traffic for non-attack signatures or anomalies. Wireshark can be used to identify vulnerabilities on a network by using network traffic for non-vulnerabilities or misconfigurations. Network optimization. Wireshark can be used to optimize network performance by identifying and dissolving network bottlenecks or other issues. So in summary, security professionals typically use Wireshark in conjunction with other security tools and technologies such as intrusion detection systems, firewalls, and vulnerability scanners. By analyzing network traffic with Wireshark, security professionals can gain valuable insights into the workings of their networks, detect security threats, and take proactive steps to protect their organizations. Now let's see how to install Wireshark on our Windows machine. Open your browser and search for Download Wireshark. Visit the official link of the Wireshark, which is wireshark.org. According to my Windows machine, I will download the Windows installer 64-bit. Download has been completed, so I'll just open it. It's a standard installation procedure like any other software, so we will go with just the default installation. It will take some time, so after installation we will just open it and see the interface of the Wireshark. Installation procedure has been completed, so let's just open it from our search button of the Windows. So this is the main window of the Wireshark when we first open it. Finally, let's see how to install Wireshark in Linux distributions. Usually famous Linux distributions like Kali, Parrot, and so on, they already have installed Wireshark, but in case if you Linux does not have Wireshark, you can install it by following the simple command. Open your terminal and enter this command sudo apt-get install Wireshark. So in this video we learned about the Wireshark, how to install it, and some basic terms related to Wireshark and how Wireshark is used by security professionals.